So good morning and welcome back, and as you can see the weather is now absolutely glorious. It's incredibly warm, the sun is shining, and it is the 1st of May, which means it's a bank holiday. There's a village lunch today, so we're going to go down. It looks like it's pig on a spit, which will be delicious as always, but first I'm going to test a couple of little bits and bobs here. So first off, after all of the comments last time, I've bought this. This is like special paint, and it's designed, as it says, if you translate that from German, that's soot. So I'm going to have a go and just paint over the little marks, the soot marks that have seeped through, and we'll see if we can, if that'll work and if that'll stop them coming through. So I'm going to have a quick go at that, and then we'll see what we do afterwards. Okay, so I've chosen a bit of the wall where it really is the worst, where it has properly seeped through, and we'll give it a test on here, and if it works there, then we'll be fine. But again, it was much less over there and more over here where it was wetter, so obviously the humidity is making a difference. We got all down there, but once you put a second layer of plaster on, it disappears completely. So that's always the possible end solution. Anyway, let's try this now. Well, if that's it, it's just a matter of creating a barrier layer over the marks, then that'll probably be just fine. We'll have to come back in a couple of hours. It says 2 hours, and then we'll see. It is quite expensive, but it'll be cheaper than replastering everything and much more time efficient. So hopefully this will work. This is solution number 5.
Non ce la facciamo?
Hai detto di essere interessato.
Poi kann ich auch eine Runde spielen.
Oh, pardon. Attenzione che non sbaglia.
Cioè, porta anche male.
Vai, vai, vai. Porta male?
No, lui che... Mettimi là che vi passo la roba. Vieni anche una catena bene. Quindi adesso lo portate insieme così questo.
Imparati per dopo,
So, good morning and welcome back. It's the next morning. That was a wonderful day yesterday of eating and drinking and spending time with friends. And now it's another beautiful, beautiful day. So today is going to be our beach day. We're going to head down to Massa, down on the coast. I think most of the beach places will be closed, but we'll find somewhere for lunch and sit on the beach and look at the sea for a little bit. But now we can head in and we can see how that paint did and see if it's actually blocked the staining. Okay, well, as you can see, that's worked perfectly. So I could just paint on top of that and that would be fine. You see over there what the last normal paint did, it seeped through. So basically, yeah, I'm just going to have to pop around with the ladder and smear a bit over each one of these stains. And that'll be that. So that's good news. That's worked. So there's nothing coming through there at all. It's not cheap and I'll probably need a little bit more. I'll probably buy one big bucket of it, which is about 50 euros. And it's not that big, I think it's 2 litres then. But that should get everything covered. So now we can get on over there and everywhere else. Okay, well, the final plan is to turn this into a window. So we'll have 2 windows sort of next to each other. This one with the bars and this one, which won't have bars, I don't think. So what I'm going to do today, when we come back from the beach, is I'm going to stop at the builders merchants and I'm going to buy the brickwork to build that up. So that when I plaster across I can just plaster it in. So I'm going to measure it, my tape measure here, and work out exactly how much I need. I'm going to wall, I think, just from there to there. Maybe even a little less. I don't think we need it to be that particularly thick. I need to knock out the broken tiles, get rid of the water course and move it further up, so that it all lines up, and then drill some holes, put a piece of metal work across to support it, and we should be fine. So let me measure that up and then work out how many bricks I'm going to need. And here we are down in Massa, Marina di Massa, and if you look up there you'll see that ship that we just saw. So that crashed in a storm into the pier in Massa at I think the end of January, and it's been sat there ever since, sort of keeled over on its side, looking very much sorry for itself. I think from what I've been told they've pumped all of the fuel out of it. But other than that, it's a beautiful, perfect day. You can see over there Porto Venere and the little island Palmaria opposite it. The Carrara mountains are behind us, where the marble comes from. It's still pretty empty. It's Friday, 2nd of May, so long weekend for us. But a lot of people are at work and everything else is open. But wonderful. Lovely to be here, and now I'm going to have a little nap in the sun, and then we'll head back up to town and pick up some building stuff to build a wall. Okay, and the last job for today, I'm just going to see if I can get this to start, and it did just start on the choke, but as soon as I accelerated it dropped out again. So now it's got fuel in it. I think that it's not getting enough fuel down into the floating tank. I think there's still some muck in there. So I'm going to take it off tomorrow again and blow air through everything, and then put it back together, and hopefully that'll fix it, and then we can set it up. Because if I leave it for an hour or two, then it starts, but now it doesn't. So there we go. Look, some roses out. So that's going to be it for today's video. Some gratuitous tourism, some eating, but actually tourism without too many tourists, which is my favourite kind of tourism. Down the beach when the weather's like this, it was incredibly warm. It's just fabulous. And then coming home to a house like this tomorrow, hopefully start off with a little bit of tennis and build that wall, and if I have time then plaster some more. Now that I've sorted out the staining, I'm pretty happy about that, so that's great. So there we go, that's another day down here in Tuscany. Summer's finally arrived, lots of little bits and bobs to get done, but I really want that kitchen done as quickly as possible, and then we can paint it outside, we can paint it inside, get some furniture in there, and start using it and move on to the next project. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed this not very building video, and I'll see you in the next couple of days with some building. If you did enjoy it, then you know the only way or the best way to make the channel grow is to subscribe, like, tell your friends. So that would be great if you could do that. Until then, thank you very much. Take care, and bye bye for now.